Hello, everyone, and welcome to the Python hacking class where you will learn to build custom hacking tools. So, my name is Alex Thomas. I have been a penetration tester for about 3 years now. I mainly pen test Fortune 500 companies. I've been doing that for the company Bishop Fox for about 6 months. I am a recent college graduate. I graduated 6 months ago from Dakota State University, and that is where I got my bachelor's degree in cyber operations, and I also got my master's degree in information assurance. Some of my hobbies include robotics, machine learning. I also like to play CTFs, and recently I have been into game development. So, in this course, we will be learning how to create hacking tools using Python. First, we will start off by learning how to create a simple web scraper. Um, this is the basics of hacking tools. Basically, if you can create a web scraper, you can mimic any tool that is online. Um, we will be utilizing these techniques to create a proxy scraper, which is really useful. A lot of the times when you go to get some sort of proxy list online, they will try to charge you like $200 a month. Um, but if you build your own tool, um, you can get a proxy list for free. Um, the second thing is we will build a vulnerability scanner. This will focus on detecting clickjacking in a website. So it isn't like a whole Nessus scan. We're only scanning for one vulnerability. Um, but it will teach you the basics of that. And then after that, we will build a basic port scanner. This will be similar to Nmap. We will be using socket programming. This is really useful to learn, not only for port scanners, but also for malware and stuff. If you want to create your own malware, you will be using socket programming for your communication. Um, and then we will wrap up with a password sniffer. Um, Basically, we will use Scapy to create a password sniffer that can sniff HTTP passwords. Um, in order for that to work in the real world, you would have to do some sort of man in the middle attack. So, like ARP spoofing, rogue access point, something like that. And then you could run the password sniffing script in order to steal users' credentials whenever they log into a HTTP site. So that's it. I hope to see you guys in the class, and I look forward to teaching you guys. Thank you.